Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. The situation on the gold market is a bit different compared to what we have seen yesterday on euro currency. Mostly because on the euro currency the short-term setup for upward continuation has been broken. We have discussed this yesterday. But on the gold market, this setup is still valid. So on the gold market, gold really could continue to move higher. Right from the current support there is around 1120, and that mostly has happened due to the different action on Friday and the Thursday. So if on Thursday and Friday euro currency has dropped, gold market stubbornly has continued to move higher and keeps valid the bullish pattern that we have got on Thursday. So recall that we have discussed this. We've got the bullish grabber, and this bullish grabber is still valid, and theoretically it could lead market right back to the 1175 top. That is minimum target of this pattern. So it means that the short-term setup of the upward continuation will be valid until market will stand above these lows. If it will happen so that market will drop lower, taking out of these lows and raise the grabber, in this case we will have no reasons to keep hope on immediate upward reversal, because in this case trend will shift bearish. It's already has shifted bearish right here. But at the same time, market will raise the bullish patterns that we have right now. So we will have the bearish trend, no bullish patterns. It will be no context for a possible expectation of the further upward continuation. But right now, still this pattern is still valid, and market really could continue to move higher and above this top if this pattern will work. Since our next target in the medium-term perspective on the weekly chart stands approximately 1220 resistance, this is, by the way, the confidence resistance on the weekly chart. We could get there by some ABCD pattern, how it looks like on the daily chart. But first, we need to see reestablishing of the straight upward continuation. This action should be stable, and only in this case we could really confirm and get confidence, really confirm this upward action and get confidence with this. Also, guys, right now we have the big assistance, big support from the recent CFTC numbers. So if you will check these numbers, you will see that it's really big shifts in the sentiment has happened. Gold market shows significant increase of the open interest, and this has happened simultaneously with a significant increasing in the speculative longs position and the hedgers short position. This is corresponding positions, and both of them support further upward continuation on the gold market. So the net gold position again have turned to the bullish side, and that has happened with the significant growth of the open interest. And so we could find the charts in our weekly research on this. Having the bullish pattern on the daily and having the supportive CFTC numbers, we think that the chances on the further upward continuation on the gold market are not really bad. So let's see what will really happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, this grabber have been accompanied by the bullish double repo pattern. This double repo buy has been formed right at the support area. But right now, guys, it's very difficult to rely on it because market almost has hit the target. So, because the minimum target of the double repo is the 50% resistance of the whole move down, and market already has hit approximately the 30% or even a bit greater. So probably we will not use this as major pattern to trade. Yes, it was interesting in this moment when the market has formed, because this in fact was the bottom of the daily grabber, and it has taken the shape of the double repo on the 4-hour time frame chart. Right now market is showing the upward direction with this double ripple. But if you would like really to trade gold on the long side of the market, it's better to stick with the grabber, not to use the double ripple pattern, mostly because it already has exhausted since it's almost hit the target. So market will open somewhere around the weekly pivot point, and if you would like to take the long position, it's better to watch for some fib support. So if you take a look at the hourly chart, you could see that very nice level stands at 11:30, 11:32. Maybe this will be not bad area to watch for. Next level will be 11:26. So if market really has intention to continue move higher, it probably should find support somewhere around them, either here or here, and then reestablish move up. If this will not happen, and market will take in out the lows of the grabber, in this case, guys, we can't exclude that we could get return back to the 1080 lows. That's really simple maths. So if market will not hold here, it probably will return right back down. It will not mean that market will not be able to form some bullish pattern and turn to the upward direction again. Absolutely not. In this case, market still will be able to form double bottom pattern here and turn to the upside. The breakout of these lows and dropping lower will just tell us that bearish momentum in the market is too strong for a gold to show this light reversal to the upside. I mean, with the light term, that market will show a retracement down just from the initial swing and continue move higher. So that will be the response of the bearish momentum. If market will drop here, it will mean that the momentum is really strong and market wasn't able to fade it just by this minor retracement. It needs to show the deeper retracement to fade this momentum. And after that, maybe it will form some other pattern. I don't know. But this is a bit extended perspective. Right now, we're mostly interested with the short-term setup of this light retracement. Currently, market has created already the background for the possible upward continuation. If this background will work, we will see action to the upside in 12-20 area maybe. If it will fail, in this case, we should be ready for the 1080 return. Also, guys, right now the seasonal trend on the gold market is shifting bullish. That's why we have the triple support on the gold market with the possible upward continuation. And currently, the behavior, how market really struggle on Friday against the positive data in the United States, against the statements from the banking officials on the Wyoming who said that they will increase the rate. On that background, gold has shown the upward direction. That's really impressive. So that's why I think that it's not really small chances that gold will proceed high.